Today, we are gonna talk about the emus. Emus are native to Australia, soft-feathered, brown, flightless birds with long necks and legs. They are fast runners and the second largest living bird by height, reaching up to 6.2 feet in height. They are rated as a least concern species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Often they are farmed for meat and eggs. If frightened, they kick with their big three-toed feet, which can cause severe damage to animals. However, human fatalities are extremely rare. In this footage, see how a emu is chasing the man. They eat a variety of plants and insects, but have been known to go for weeks without eating. They drink infrequently. Now watch how we tried to feed the giant birds.
আরে দাঁড়া দাঁড়া তুই সামনে দেখো দাঁড়া 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 হাতি খেলে রে চিমটে আছে বড়
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please support us by subscribing.